love. There's so many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. Because it's the possibilities that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I saw your face,